Circle, only here, this circle. No accidents, eh? No accidents. Dit is een wat Toyota. Okay, stop. First exercise. We're gonna do try. First exercise is we're gonna do feet on the ball. We're gonna do this one. The ball is not moving, only the feet on the ball. If you can't do it, if you can't do this, try to do this. Okay, try. Yeah. Vai lá fora, cara. Get safe, get safe. Okay, stop. Now we're gonna do this one. Go to the front, go to the back, and we use the whole circle. Yeah? Okay, go. Yeah, go. Yeah, and here also, the whole circle. Okay, stop. I see that they can do it, we try to do it further, or faster the exercise. Okay? Now, I want you to do this one. Right feet up, left outside, stop. Left outside, stop. Right, left, stop. Then you do it faster. This stop. Okay, right. Yeah, go. Stop. Very good. Right foot, left outside. Left foot, right outside. And stop the ball. Okay.
Андрей, активнее давай.
Oh. Straight outside, the whole circle. You can use. Okay, and stop. Now we're going to do this one. 2 times left, 2 times right. 2 times left, 2 times right. Okay? Right. Yeah, go. Okay, stop. Easy one, eh? Easy. Now we're gonna do this one. I step, I take him, and I do this. Stop. Step, take him, stop. Now I'll do this one. Stop. 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 Yeah, go. Use space, get a space. No, stop. We watch. Hey, I do it with my right foot, and then I stop it with my left and right foot. Left foot. Now I start with my left foot, and then with my right foot. Okay? So we have to change. Exercise with your right foot, stop with the left foot. And you can use the whole space, you have the circle, nobody's there. Yeah, and go. And try to do it short. Yeah, hey, and now start with the right and do it with the left. So once you start with the right, once you start with the left, you have to change. Okay, stop. Example. Yes. Show it. Once with the left, once with the right. Do the exercise. Fantastic. Stop. Fantastic. Okay, everyone, go. Very good. Yeah. No. Do it with the left. Change. No. Yes, that's it. Hey, that's it. Go, continue. Go. No. Right? And then with the left. Yeah. Okay, and stop. Now we're gonna make it more difficult. Okay? Now we're gonna do the same exercise, but now we're gonna do this. Right? Left outside stop. Left, right outside stop. See that? Okay. Right. Hey. Het is moeilijk hoor. Ja. Yes. Hey.
Patrick is now going to the step up move to do an opening. We do all the things in steps because we didn't know the level before we come here.
Okay, next
Now
up.
we look through the level and the level is higher than we thought. So that's why we go a little faster.
Inside. Right back, right inside. Left back, left inside. What you have to do, like there's an opponent in front of you. Yep. Okay, try it. Yeah, go. Yeah, go. If you can do it, you do it faster. Inside? No, right. Yeah.
Марс, на месте делай.
Okay, and stop. Hey, now we do the same, but we do it outside. Right outside. Left back, left outside. Then we do it faster. Okay? Okay, try it. can make it, if you can't do this exercise, you can make it more easier.
Kuidas sa saate lihtsamalt teha seda harjutust, kui teil ei tule välja?
Yes, no speed. Hey, I'm going to do this. Okay, now I can think. Left, outside. Hey, I can do it. Okay, you understand? Okay, go.
Tehke endale ruumi ja tehke natuke aega, et jalg
Spread
ei
out,
tule
spread
välja.
out.
Martin, сделай медленно.
Good. Hey. Very good. Now with the right. Very good. Hey. That's it. That's it. Okay, hey, stop. Now we can give some more punch. Because now I do with my left. I do with my left back, right inside. Right back, left inside. Left back, right inside. Okay? Hey, very slow, eh?
Alustad ühe jalaga ja võtad teise jala peale.
Yeah, go.
Näed, kraaberi.
Ja, maar ook. Had je er wat op gedaan? Ja, go. Yes. Right. Very good. Keep right. Ah, no, right foot. Right. Okay, and stop. Now we do the same on the outside. Outside, okay?
Vasakule tõmbad paremini läheb.
Yeah, go. Yeah. If you can do this exercise, don't look at the ball.
Kui teil juba tuleb välja, siis võtke pilt üles ja palli ei vaata. Vaadake üles rohkem, jah?
Do we know this one? This one? Let's show me. Yeah, okay, stop. Now we do this one. Yes, okay, try it.
Tehke ruumi endale. Tehke ruumi endale.
Hey, watch. If you can't do it, watch. You have to make a step. So if I go there, you look at my left foot. See that? I'll do it with my right. Up. And then you get a chance.
Tehke natuke aega ja tempo. Aega on kiirelt, ei ole jooksa, ei ole vaja.
Okay. And stop. Now, watch. Now we do 2 times right turn, 2 times left. So I dribble. 1, 2. I dribble. 1, 2. I dribble. 1, 2.
Jälle Maiku juures.
Yeah, go.
Minu juurde nad ütlesid, et tulge minna.
Eén veldje nog even daar in de lengte.
Ei, mitte viit.
Okay, let's go.
Nüüd saab kaarta, nüüd see praegu
Now we do this one.
7
You know this one? Do we do this? No, but both sides, eh? Do I do this? Up.
Андрей,
Right. Okay, let's go. Watch out. Watch out. Okay, let's go. Now we do this one. This step. Now gaat het pak. Ja, go. Right. Yes, very good. Now, the other side. Right. Stop, stop. Another good one. Good one. Right foot, left inside. Yes, left foot, right inside. Right. See that? Very good. Yeah, go. Left one. Try to go the other way. You have to go the other way, guys. Good. Good. Yes, hey, very good. Wachten, wachten. Very good. Okay, yeah, stop. This one. Yeah, oh. Yeah, go. A little bit dancing, eh? Russian dance, Russian dance. Yes, Cristiano Ronaldo, eh? Inside, hey. Inside foot. Yeah, yeah. Should go feet first.
Миша уже выдохся. Угу.
Okay, hands up. This is, hey, I have to think like it's both is in my back. So you have to come in front of you. I make a step. I take it inside, outside, and stop. And now with my left. Watch, yeah. Step, inside, outside, stop. Step up. Yeah, try it. Left and right. Everything left, right. Take space. Hey.
Или Давид Калидовский. А. Да, я понял. Ну, я учту, да. Я понял. Спасибо. Всего доброго.
Yeah. Okay, stop. We do this one. What's first? Hey, inside, outside. Stop. Inside, outside. Stop. Inside, outside. Stop. Okay, try it.
Мы там сейчас будем играть в
Hey,
футбол. Где?
one move.
Хочешь идти с нами?
Okay, stop. Watch here. Yes. One move. Stop. Now. Hey, and if it's difficult, what are you going to do then? If it's difficult? Hey, speed, out. Enough. Yes. Okay, go. Okay, and stop. This one, guys. Hold it front. Turn. Stop. Okay, go. Okay, and I want 3 players with each other. 3 players with each other. One man that goes holding, make a holding on each leg. Holding. Make a holding. 3. 3. Here. 3. Okay. Come here. Let's go. Yes, what?
Понравился. Шнурки даже завязаны.
Упражнение уже на каждый тренировать завязывать.
Right foot. Go. Let's go. 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 1, 2, 5. Go. I understand. Realize that exercise is not important for me.
Dякую, Олена, медалі цінується, вона наша.
Да, я все снимаю.
Yes, you know the exercise now? Yeah? Now we gotta do. We pass to the left. Hey, so I want to see this one. Okay? Very good. That's it. Hey, very good. Right foot. Okay, and finish. Let the ball over there. That's what I say, sir. If you do another exercise, stop.
ta on juba praegu täiesti täiuslikult välja arendatud sellisel kujul nagu ajaks teeb.
If I say the fake shot, it's okay that you try to do the fake shot very well. Give the ball, please. Hey. Important is that I put the foot in front of the ball. So I do this. Now we go far. Yes, hey, but still, although we do the face shot, he has asked, and he has to give the ball with the message. It's very important.
seal on väikestest kuni tema ala kuulini välja. Neid saab seal juba mehi ka võtta. Nad arendavad kõik samad treenid, kõik väikesed, aga trennid kõik selle eesmärgi lõpuks jookseb see kokku seda süsteemi, kui järgi on tehtud kogu noorte üle.
Stop! Get through here! I get him on the right foot!
Teil ongi see kõik lehtab.
Okay, no problem.
Kõik.
Always to let go.
jah, viigist
Okay, go!
selles mõttes nagu viiskümmend välja.
Yes,
tulid
hey!
eile õhtul üles. Isegi vaadata.
Jaa.
Very good. No, stop! Right foot, you see, man. Right foot.
Kõik selle teha palju. Ma ei üldse harjunud. Kahe poolde teigiga nendeks mängudeks. Mängida vähem. Tuule.
Привет.
I don't hear you! When he starts, then I start as a defender. But I'm not taking the ball, I help him. Give him a feeling like in the game. Yeah, go. Yeah, go.
Да ничего, не, я такая, в принципе, не снесла. Хорошо, папа у нас там вроде снимает.
Nendel on alates 9-st, nad toovad ajaks, siis see marineid kokku. Ma juba tegin selle lepingu ära, seda
Yes.
palju meeldiv.
I do the exercise. So again, Sergio, watch. Watch first. He's out. After that, I go here, and you go there. So we change the same as before. Only we do now 1v1 extra. Okay? Okay, start everyone. Yeah, go.
läbi aegade mida praegu staadion
Same. Change is the same. So exercise. Yeah, exercise. Very nice. Okay, and stop. I have 5 minutes. So, I want that group in that area. We're going to play 3 against 0. Watch. And then the next one is in that area. Okay? Watch. This is 0 coaches. We got to the receiver. Hey, what? Okay, he will ask. I pass with the right to his left. So, he asks. Left, pass to the right. Yeah, hey. Okay, try it.
aasta.